right here is one of the small joys of riding here. You can kind of do the same in the car, but it's just not the same. Riding at sunset. The thing about riding at sunset is, close this vent here. The thing about riding at sunset is at least where I live in Texas, you have that little break between where you can feel the sun hit you and then it cools off, and the wind feels different, the air smells different, and you just don't get that. And in a car, man, such a beautiful day out. Been raining quite a bit where I live last few weeks, so I haven't been able to ride too much, but it is the beginning of September and it's North Texas, so we'll probably get some more hot days, but at least it's cooling down a little bit for the next week. I mean, it's about 80 degrees and not very humid, which is amazing. Oh man, by the way, down there is this place called Boo Ray's, and it's Louisiana cooking, they say. It's pretty darn good food, and I'm glad that this COVID stuff did not get them too much trouble as far as closing down, because it just opened up and it's good food. Yeah, look at this right here. That's why I like this ride right here. You can see the mountain. I mean, well, Texas there's no real mountain, so that's a mountain. It's really a foothill, but it's just right at that point where the sun is just about to stop shining, and it's beautiful. So anyways, I know this is quick, but I really enjoy riding at this time of the day, especially on the weekend, because there's no traffic. I mean, there's still a lot of cars, but nothing like how it is during the week. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button down there. It really helps me out a lot, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, y'all.